Hi, my name is Himanshu Ashia. I'm the country head for a Belgium-based company called Safety Jobber. We know safety is a culture being forced upon, but what it actually needs, the present requirement of the Indian industry is that it should be in the blood and the veins of every person who's working there in the industrial workspace. Now it becomes very important for everybody to know that safety is just not by compulsion, but it should be followed every day, every inch and every second of while somebody is working in the workspace. So for Safety Jobber, we bring this into perspective. We are a company which is into producing of safety shoes. We are the top global players all across the world. In India, we have started our production about a couple of years back, and we are receiving a tremendous response from our Indian customers, Indian distributors, Indian consumers. So as a part of the strategy for Safety Jogger, we are focusing on developing the right kind of shoes for the Indian market, which is complying to the EN 20345, BIS 15298 and ASTM 2413. We do a lot of innovation and research and development in producing our shoes. So ultimately, it's the end customer who's wearing a Safety Jogger shoe knows that he's being protected against all the type of hazards he's working in, all the type of problems and the challenges he's being exposed to in a day-to-day activities, and to make sure that when he returns home, he's back safe and secure the way he came for doing his work. So that's the mission and vision of the company, to give the right quality of safety shoes to its consumers and make them feel protected. Thank you.